Project Management Tips, Best of 2024. A project manager's job is not easy. It takes a massive level of involvement at every level to ensure that all projects under.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Projects under your guidance are taken to closure. Every one of the project management tips can enhance how you perceive and react to a given situation. These project planning tips are bound to help anyone engaged in the process of managing projects. Your educational background, experience, and other key factors can help you tackle any issues with project management. Another vital factor that you need to keep in mind while joining as a project manager is your organizational background. Make sure you conduct a thorough study about your organization, its policies, clients, and global presence. It will allow you to decide your approach while managing the projects at hand proactively. Below are some essential project management tips for beginners to help you in your project management journey.
Your experience and education are beneficial. But another key step here will be to engage in a conversation with your seniors in this industry. Connect with other project managers and peers in your industry through PMO chapters and forums. Gain as much understanding about their project management approach as possible, enabling you to make the right decision. These project management tips will help you gain that understanding. Useful tips for effective project management. You might have come across the term project charter during your PMP exam. You will be given a project charter in its true sense. It is the right time to invest your entire time and energy into studying it. Understand the project in its true essence. Take time to evaluate details about the stakeholders involved in executing this project. Understand the level of visibility of projects being handed over to your lab. Invest time to learn about your organization's goals and policies. It is essential to know the basics about your organization's vision, mission, regulations, and other responsibilities. A critical piece of project management advice is to understand the benefit of the current project to the organization. It will also help you evaluate the larger picture and identify stakeholders interested in your project. In specific projects, this may be the CEO, while in other cases, the scope may be limited within the function. Invest in upgrading your leadership skills. Be smart in your communication. It is an important tip for project planning and creation. Ensure that you involve your team at every level of project execution. It will help you gain the confidence of your team. Another advantage includes building your team's confidence in accomplishing tasks. They are enabled to undertake project activities under minimal supervision. Communication skills hold key value while executing a project. Improve and brush your oral and written skills. Make sure you are clear and concise while communicating the needs. It goes with your leadership and subordinates as well. Communication should be seen as indispensable while making any list of project management tips. Yet another tip for successful project management is to have clear documentation of your project's progress. Ensure all relevant documents related to your project are handy in an online tool. Educate your team to update all pertinent inputs in real time. It will allow better control of your project and ascertain challenges or delays. Now that we have understood the basics, let us know some other project management tips and tricks to control your project better. Powerful tips for successful project management. 1. Always understand the start and end goal of your project. It is the key to any project activity. A good project manager must clearly understand the project scope. Every project needs to have a start and end line. Once you have understood this piece, it becomes easier for project execution. Without first understanding the desired outcome of the project, it is not prudent to start employing project management tips. 2. Communicate your needs, wants, and deliverables. It is another critical step. While you work on your project execution, it is essential to ensure that your project team is entirely aware of the project needs. A project manager is constantly under the pressure of meeting targets and deadlines. Clear communication with your team on project expectations shall allow functioning effectively. This is one of the most important tips for successful project management. 3. Give attention to risk management. Managing your project risks is one of the best project management tips. Understanding your project scope and risks associated with your projects will enable you to build an effective project plan. You also need to have an effective risk strategy defined to capture how identified risks shall be mitigated in due course of time. 4. Don't try to perfect every step. Avoid being a perfectionist. It is another tip for new project managers. As an employee, you need to know that deviations will accomplish your project per agreed timelines. You may also face situations where you missed identifying a key stakeholder. A project manager needs to be ready for any surprise. It will allow you to provide appropriate updates to your leadership and organization. 5. Effective time management. To complete your project, you need to make an effective time management plan. One of the critical tips for effective project management includes planning your project timelines effectively. It will allow avoiding last-minute surprises in project execution. Another key important factor here is the importance of communicating project progress. 6. Multitasking is a strict no. If you are looking for tips for managing multiple projects, you need to avoid multitasking at every stage of your project. Indeed, our brains are not formatted to handle various tasks simultaneously. It will create confusion on the entire project life cycle. Instead, you can look for options to assign each task to your key team member. It will reduce the overall project load and also help in ensuring that no project deliverables deviate. This is often forgotten in program manager tips. Let us now move to the next step in project management. Below are essential project management organization tips to consider while working on a project. List of project management organization tips. 1. Invest in a new project management software. According to a recent survey, it is considered that only 16% of companies globally are using practical project management tools. One software project management tip is investing in the right tool to provide effective updates on your project. There are many tools accessible in the market. These tools are enabled with analytics capability, save data in real time, and create project tasks. Updating your project tasks and progress on Excel-based spreadsheets is no longer going to help. Research on new market products and make the suitable investment. 2. Call out project priorities. Develop a to-do list for you and your team. Prioritizing your tasks is a crucial project management tip and tool for your project. This step will also help you accomplish your key project activities at ease. Another critical factor is the time and energy spent on project activities. Once your project tasks are ready, shift your focus on activities that require utmost attention. Project activities that may become showstoppers need your complete attention, while others may be executed in due course of time. Setting a hierarchy within tasks is a vital addition to the list of project management tips.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.